Well, good morning guys. Something different for me again. I'm going to try to not be drowned out by that aircraft. But you know, what can you do? Outtake! I'm here in Balgriffin Cemetery this morning. I'm going to try something different. I'm going to try to use this lovely sunrise and get some lovely Celtic crosses and religious icons, religious statues, silhouetted in the morning sun. So give me a second here. There's a nice one of Mary and Jesus. Try not to step on the graves. Of course, manually focusing. 750th of a second, 5.6 aperture. Let's see how that is. Looks nice. It will be cropped vertical just for the sake of that shot. And let's move on. Why? Because we have another airplane. This time Ryanair is the culprit. Okay, so we have some religious iconography here. Jesus and Mary and some angels. Doing my best not to step on the gravestones. I'm going to focus in. Make sure it's pin sharp. There we go. There's a bird in the background. Just wait for that to fly through. It's currently 360th of a second. Again, 5.6. There we go. And just another one. Perfect. Now, I'm going to move on somewhere completely different and see if what I hope is there is there. Now, if you've ever wondered how to make one of those ghost videos, you simply need to layer your video. So what I'm doing right now, you can't see me, is I'm recording the blank scene. What I'm going to do is record myself again in a minute walking through this scene. I will layer it in Final Cut Pro and reduce the capacity, which is kind of like the sense of my video, the one on top. It's going to make me a bit more transparent. And when it overlays with the other one, it should show everything bar me should be fairly thick and real, and I should be the one that's actually transparent going through the scene. So let's try this. Just walking out of the scene for a minute. And action! Oh yeah, I'm a ghost. Ooh. Sounded a bit more like an owl there.